Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to get a blue comment on TikTok. So, guys, one thing that you should consider is you cannot directly control getting a blue comment on TikTok. So, guys, it is determined by a TikTok algorithm that automatically turns keywords into clickable search link. So, the thing is, you have to comment related that is on the video. So for example, this is a movie video over here. And now here, I will just simply go for the comments tab. And now, for example, the comment for this video or the title for this video will be a songbird. So I'm gonna go for title and songbird. And after that, you should be able to just simply go ahead and comment it out. So guys, remember to increase your chances, just simply include the words or phrases from the video itself, like the title, hashtag, or on-screen text in your comment, because using keywords that are popular, relevant, and frequently searched for can improve the likelihood of your comment turning blue. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.